Dang, bro.
2016 duck eating challenge, you know what I mean? Got my little bro Jake about to eat some duck, you know, because I'm
What?
Oregon duck, but football 2016. Go ahead, try that duck. Go ahead.
Right there.
A little piece.
Oh no. Go ahead, pick that up. Go ahead, pick that up. Oh, he ate it. Oh, he just threw up. Oh. That's that loud. You want me to eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Eat that whole thing, boy.
Go! Oh, you see that shoulder camera has a little bit of pink in it. I'm telling y'all, that's still well done. That's almost, dude, no. It's well done, but it don't look well.
It is well done, baby.
Oh, he ate it. Eat the whole thing. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Yeah, put the. He's a savage. I take it. He all done. No more. Post. We out here, man. Spying on him. Aaron. Say peace. Say peace to the camera.
It's peace out, 2016 live and direct. It's ACE, man. It's ambition. We gonna get it live, popping it direct. You know what I mean? I said direct twice, but we gonna get it popping, baby. It's lit. Peace.